Hello, this is Ifoma again, and today I'm going to show you how to create security groups. Security groups are firewalls that help you boost the security of your applications in your VPC. Without further ado, let's go. Now, in your EC2 dashboard, scroll down to Network and Security and hit Security Groups. In your VPC, scroll down to Security and click Security Groups. So what I mean here, what I'm trying to show you here is you can create security groups through the VPC service or through the EC2 service. You can do the same. So for now, let's use the EC2 service. Come to your top right and click Create Security Group. Give your security group a name, add a description, select your VPC. The VPC is already selected, and then we come to our inbound rules. This effectively lets you define what kind of the ports that will be open and what kind of protocol whoever is going to access your application or your network is going to be allowed to use to gain access into your network. So if we hit add rule, we have the type of protocol. Here you have a custom TCP, but remember up here in our description we put that we want to allow SSH and port 22. So we go to our protocol and we look for SSH. That's it there. Select SSH. By default, the port for SSH is port 22. So for your SSH, you want a secure connection to your application. So you select my IP. That's the best security practice. So no other person can gain access except those you allow. So if I select my IP, that effectively gives me access on port 22 to my application. If I select HTTP, you want everybody to have access to your application via HTTP or HTTPS. So I can select everywhere, anywhere, and that's your IP address will be 0.0.0/0, which means anybody can gain access. And your HTTPS, you can select the same thing. In your outbound rule, you want to leave it at the way it is because you want your application to gain access to the outside your VPC unrestricted. Add a tag, scroll down to your tag, add a tag, enter name. It already picked it for us. And in your value, enter my test subnet. Scroll down and hit create security group. And that is how to create a security group. Thank you very much. If there is any other short video you want me to create, do well to hit the like button, subscribe if you think you've learned something, and put a comment below to let me know what you really want me to create. Thank you. Bye.